Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rosy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In today's video, I'll be showing you one of my best crafts that I have made for a newly married couple. So here it is the Fairy Light Heart Explosion box with mini scrapbook. It contains 30 to 35 photos and can be customized for any occasion. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please to check the description box below. Don't forget to leave a review on the comment section. I will love to read and reply to them. Thank you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe.